this up on the ground, we no use mattress. Bend over back way and give me a back ass. Bubble.
Them positions, they looking good though. Them positions, they looking good though. But the dog say, right, that's up on the ground. We don't need no mattress. Right, it's up on the ground, little girl. Little girl. Right, that's how we there. Right, that's up. No mattress. And that's how you get it. What's up, beauty? What's up, beauty? What's up, beauty? What's up, beauty? What's good, YouTube? It's a boy. It's a boy. It's a boy. It's a boy. Harry Vlogs. Harry Vlogs. AKA the reaction boss. I want back in effect people with another. You know what that go. What's good, YouTube? It's a boy TriniBad, aka the reaction boss. I was back in effect with another video for you guys. Now, right now, we have a TriniBad reaction for you. Trinidad reaction for you guys. They might say Trinidad and Tobago, big yourself home. Big up yourself one time. We have Raskality. You did me and say, you don't know a chap people. Like up the video, you don't know a chap. No. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Comment on this video to see your comment in this video that I post, and I'll post every single day, right? Yeah. We could big up some people while they look for the comment over there. So you know that go? You know that, go big up Skillybag. First, big up to Lacaz Productions, see me I say. First, big up to Poons Entertainment too. You don't know it, go. And big up to Alienation Music. Alienation Music, can't pronounce the name right, big up yourself. And big up to OJ Beats. You don't know, and big up to Mr. J NC. And as usual, I have to big up to Hideout Clothing for the fit. You don't know it, chat. Because we're going for that video right now. People like up the video. Subscribe if you're new. Road to 50k is real. Run tune! Song called TriniBad Confidential.
Yo, Lacaz.
Alright then.
Say so wish you want. Come and me fuck you with me.
Woo! Me see the girl already. Hey. Well up. Me come on a little closer to the camera because you don't know, so we see the females them, you know. I don't want to see the facial expressions, right? Me could run back a little teeny bit because I'm the right son.
Say so wish you want. Come and me fuck you with me gun a million.
Good man. Come here, little girl. Come here, big woman. Come here, old foot. Come. Joke. Come here. Man say, come make him knock you with him gun in him hand. What you say to them? Go on.
Real gangster, she no wanna come back.
Yeah.
I summit and baby summit and
yeah. Big up yourself, Jamil. Soon check out Savage song. Yo, the man say real gangster she want. She no want no coward. Skilly, big up yourself. We just post a video. Yo, she no want no coward. Real gangster she want. Run tune.
Your tight pussy me make come in at that. Bring your fat body friend feel Lacaz.
Yeah.
The one with pussy fatter than a fatters.
You don't know a chap, you know. Lacaz, you know. You don't know say you have to bring a girl for Lacaz, you know. And because you just produce the video everything. No, you have to bring a fat pum pum girl for him too. Yes. You mean? Yes. We like that. Go on.
I this up on the ground, we no use mattress. Bend over back way and give me a back ass. Bubble.
Them positions, they looking good though. Them positions, they looking good though. But the dog say, right, that's up on the ground. We don't need no mattress. Right, it's up on the ground, little girl. Little girl. Right, that's how we there. Right, that's up. No mattress. And that's how you get it. Right, that's up. You know that go? You know that go? Go on.
Up your body and twerk. And me couldn't call you no germ. Not tell me about your man, me no really concern me.
Bad man, this, you know? A bad man that, you know, people. The man tell you about body and twerk. The man say could have never, ever call her no germs. And don't tell him boy your man. Don't tell me boy your man either. Me not really concerned. Him not really concerned. And your body must start alright. That's a panic give me the mattress. Let me take care of your pum pum friend. For Lacaz. Big up yourself. Go on.
Promote your pussy like a buju concert.
Yeah.
Wind up on me body. Take the shots in your one.
The dog say I go ram your body, ram up your blood clot like a buju concert. Brother, you know buju just fall out in the brother. Everywhere sell out here, people can't even come in a bumbo cleat stage. Yo! People can't hold at the venue pack. Yo! Yo! I saw the man ram out the bums in the girl. What you got about it? I know me, you know. And the artist said, Raskality. Go on!
Cause the freaky things you do, it make me want to sell my soul.
Cha!
Tell the pussy good me and fi fuck you right too.
What and what? The freaky things you do make you want to do what? No. No. Now. Rude. Go on.
Your pussy good, me if you fuck you right through.
Yeah.
Early in the morning and the night too.
Yeah.
Me love the things you do.
You have to knock a white through to work with me slash shake. Me slash shake. Your pussy good, me have to fuck you right through. From in the morning to in the night too. You do me? I bring you back straight back in that slang. Straight back in that slang. Watch it now.
Y'all me not talk a lot. Me bonus split, she give me heads after that.
Hey!
TV on button on Netflix a batch.
Pause again. Straight back in that show. Nobody say how. You like a body a lot. You bonus split, she give heads right after that. You see me I say straight back in that show. Straight back in that show, right? Straight back in that show. Go on.
We a fuck freaky and unorthodox.
Yeah.
And you know me ever full of shot.
Yeah.
From a gun thing, you know she in a that.
Yeah, we have to get them like bad man. You see me I say I be a bad man and get them like Trinidad get them like bad man. You see me I say guys get them like bad man. You see me I say it's a straight back in that tune. Like if it the first. We still like wind up your body, girl, and no concern. Alright then. Alright then, make up yourself. Like if it Run tune.
She love the Celtic and she love the Glock. We a take way boy girl and we no give her back. Love to see you bend over.
She love the Celtic and she love the Glock. We a take a boy girl. We not give her back. What them do about that? Them don't know that go. Hey, you go on.
Your eye in. Pussy wet, cocky sliding. Girl, me love your pretty face, nice hygiene.
Pretty face, nice hygiene. Baby girl, you don't smell. Wine up party, girl. Hey! Hey! Cha-cha! Like your video, that's why we are. Hey! Wine up party, girl. And nah. Boo! Go! Hey! Go!
Pussy fatter than me white skin. The fucker turn over and me like it.
Yeah.
Plus she love off the songs and my I sing.
Yeah.
Play smash up, people swear say be fighting.
Bumblecly. We have to start bounce a while ago. Them are knocking on and people stress say I fight, them a fight. Yeah, they call her one of the vex fuck. And you call her one of the drunk fuck. Whoa. Whoa. La. Just do one shake it. It's alright.
Yeah, she know fi do the right thing. Wind up on me body, take the shots.
You know what,
Early in the morning, in the
Next verse.
Summit and baby, summit and skin out your tight pussy. Up your body and twerk.
Next verse.
And me couldn't call you no germ. Not tell me do it, make me want fi sell me soul. Yeah, drive down kuna so she love fi fuck with the puna man.
Alright. Oh, it's song done basically, Ras. Because I think our next verse, I look for one like another one. You know, see, big up for yourself. Thanks for checking out my little reaction video. I hope you all enjoy yourself over here. See me and say, yeah. Billa vibes, I don't know where chat go. Billa vibes. Bula. Bula too sweet, so we buy water. Water too fresh, so we buy. Oh, God, I remember that thing I got. You know, that one I say, boom, bye, in a. Promote like a Bojo concert. Alright. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs.